Good morning, everyone. Today we will continue the chapter that is our solar system. And in this video, we will start it from the topic our unique Earth. Well, our Earth planet is the only planet which has life. In our solar system, the Earth is the only planet which has life. And the photographs of the Earth taken from space show that it is very colorful planet with shades of blue, white and green. As you can see the picture, it had three different colors that is blue, white and green. The ocean and sea make the earth looks blue, where the white color represent the clouds and green show the vegetation. That's why these planets look in three different color, that is blue, white and green. Well, this planet, the Earth, is surrounded by atmosphere that consists nitrogen, oxygen and water vapor. It had also a layer named ozone that protects us from the ultraviolet radiation coming from the sun. It also absorbs some of the damaging radiation from the sun. Most important part of this planet is that this planet had water that supports life. Moreover, our planet had soil which allow plants to grow. This planet takes completes one rotation in 24 hours and its axis of rotation is tilted. That's why that's called the responsible for the change of season. One most important thing is that Earth rotates from west to its on its axis and it causes day and night. Now, satellite or moon. Satellites are also smaller celestial bodies which revolve around the larger bodies, generally the planet. As celestial body is the star, satellite and other planets and also among the countless objects that are spread across the sky. Satellites are also two types, human made satellite or natural satellite. Human made satellites are sent to space to collect information about what is happening in the space so that people will be able to know what happened in the space. That's why they made human made satellite. Natural satellite. The moon is the natural satellite of the planet Earth, and besides other planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Mars, they have also their own satellite. Where Jupiter had 67 natural satellites, Saturn has 62 natural satellites, and Uranus had 27 natural satellites. But our planet Earth had only one natural satellite, that is Moon. So next topic we will discuss about the our natural satellite, that is Moon. Moon is the brightest object in the night sky, but it had no lights. It only reflects the light from the sun. That's why, and the sun is the moon is about 3,84,400 kilometers far away from the earth. Moon also completes one revolution around the Earth in about 27 days. It also spins on its axis. The moon's surface is rocky and covered with dust. It had large holes in it on its surface called craters. There is no air on the moon and it had no life of any kind. This paragraph we come to know that the moon's surface is full of large holes on its surface that is also known as craters, and there is no air on the moon. Sometimes the moon looks like a complete bright circle, while on the other occasion it is not possible. This cause when we see in a complete circular motion moon is called the full moon day. Moon start increasing and the full moon is once again after 15 days. Asteroid belt. Well, asteroid belts are small rocky bodies that have been left over from the formation of the planet 4.5 billion years ago. Well, asteroids are small and it's the body structure of this asteroid are rocky, and it is formed for formation of planet 4.5 billion years ago. Most of them can be found orbiting the Sun in a belt between Mars and Jupiter. This region in our solar system is called asteroid belt. Says the dwarf planet is the largest asteroid in the asteroid belt. The important point is that the dwarf planet named Ceres is the largest asteroid in the asteroid belt. Next topic, meteors and meteorites. Meteors are the tiny pieces of metal or rock which come into existence when asteroids break up. Most meteors burn up before they even reach the earth. So meteors are also tiny pieces of metal or rock, and these meteors burn up before they reach to the earth, and that's why we the people also called meteors a shooting star that we often see, but actually it it is not a star, it is meteors that were coming from the sky. When these objects, when these meteors fall on the earth's surface, they are called meteorites. Large meteorites can cause huge craters when they fall on the earth and other planets. Whenever we see, whenever the meteors falling down on the earth, it can cause huge craters that fall on the earth and other planets. Comets. You might have heard about or seen a comet with a shining tail flashing through the night sky. Comets are small icy bodies that revolve around the sun. They glow with the light of the sun as they come close to you. As we can see, we have heard about a comet. Comets are small icy bodies that revolve around the sun. They glow. The comets glow with the help of sunlight when comets come near to the sun. Have you heard about Halley comet? The Halley comet is seen once in 76 years. It was seen in 1986. Recently, in 1996, a Japanese astronomer discovered the Hyakute comet named after him. This comet, named after the Japanese astronomer who were discovered this comet, and it is considered to be the brightest comet ever seen over the last 20 years. Last 20 years, it is considered to be the brightest comet. That comet is known as Halley comet. So, in this video, we have already completed this chapter. In next class, we will discuss question answer. Hope all of you have understood this video. This video will be helpful for you. Thank you.